Hello viewers, Holi is just around the corner and in India that means two things, vibrant colors and massive discounts on Amazon and Flipkart.com. Many people are eagerly waiting to buy tablets during this sale. But wait, before you hit that buy button, there is a catch. If you are planning to buy a tablet without a credit card, in that case, you are technically losing money. In today's video, I am going to show you exactly how much extra you will pay and how to manage a credit card so you don't fall into a debt trap. Now let's talk about the budget tablet. Budget tablet price range is between 10,000 to 20,000 rupees, and if you are planning to buy mid-range tablet, in that case the price will vary from 20,000 to 35,000 rupees. And if you are looking for a premium tablet, in that case you may have to pay from 35,000 to 55,000 rupees. So if you buy any tablet without credit card, in that case you will lose 1,000 to 1.5k. That money you could have spent on a high quality case, a tempered glass protector, or even a pair of TWS earbuds. I know what you are thinking. Credit cards are risky, they can be, but only if you use them wrong. If you are getting one just for this sale, here is how to manage it like a pro. Only buy the tablet if you have already the full amount in your savings account. Use the card for 1.5k discount, then immediately move that money aside to pay the bill. The second problem with the Indian buyers is that many people don't have credit cards. So they have no choice but buy any tablet without credit card. But I will suggest you to manage any credit card from your friends or family members to save extra cash on your next tablet. Now if you don't actually get a credit card, don't lose hope. Exchange offers are there. Flipkart and Amazon.in often give extra bump in exchange value during Holi sale that can offset the lack of a credit card. So the bottom line is that don't leave money on the table. If you are buying a tablet this Holi sale, try to secure a credit card discount to save extra 1.5k. Also let me know in the comment sections below if you want to buy any tablet during this Holi sale. In my next video, I will reveal the exact date of Holi sale and also about some of the tablet pricing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you.